battery backup wiring instructions. Don't forget to always isolate your connections with electrical tape or wire nuts. Get your 16 or 18 gauge cable and connect it to both terminals of the power supply. Make sure to screw it securely in place. On the Altronix SMP3 power supply board, locate the terminals for the alternating current marked with the letters AC. Now connect the wires from the power supply to both terminals on the board marked with the letters AC. On the Altronix SMP3 board, locate the terminals marked BAT plus minus. Connect the red cable to the terminals marked with the plus sign and the black cable to the terminal marked with the minus sign. Now connect the red cable to the positive terminal of your battery and the black cable to the negative terminal of your battery. If the battery is charged, the LED marked DC should light up. Now connect the power supply to the power outlet. If the wiring is correct, the LED marked AC should light up. You should now have an operational battery backed up DC power supply. Use the two available terminals marked plus or minus to feed power to the system you want to use it with. Thanks for watching, and until next time.